From class 11B. Today's thought is, education is the most powerful weapon which you can in the world. I repeat, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Thank you and have a nice day.
I am Chaitanya Dubey from class 11B. Today's scripture is, Vidyam dadati vinayam vinayadayati patratam patratvat dhanmapanoti Dhanat dharmam tapa sukham.
Good morning. I am Satyam Kumar Mishra, and the meaning of this scripture is, knowledge imparts politeness, which in turn gives worthiness. From that worthiness one earns a living. That wealth leads to the path of virtue, which in turn gives happiness. Thank you and
good morning everyone. I am Sushma from class 11B. Today's news headlines are as follows. Rahul Gandhi to be MP again. Can controls fall after Supreme Court order? Indigo flights make emergency landing in Patna after technical snag. Major landslide on Kedarnath Yatra route. Many feared buried. Chandrayaan-3 spacecraft to enter Moon's sphere of influence. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning everyone. I am Nidhi from 11B. Today's sports news. Pakistan will face India on October 14 in the ODI World Cup. Kapil Sonwal wins bronze in the 102 kg juvenile weight class. Gukesh D becomes India's #1 chess player, ends Anand's 36 years long range. Jyoti Yarji takes World University bronze. Thank you and have a nice day.
Nelson Mandela has rightly said that education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. And it proves when it comes to the role of education in Indian freedom struggle and how it helped the freedom fighters to break the chains of slavery and win over British rule.
Good morning. Good morning to one and all present who are here. Today, I, Priya,
And I, Sneha,
are going to conduct assembly on the topic Education, Key to Unlock the Door of Freedom. The month of August has its own importance in the history of India. August 1947 changed the form of India.
when Indian freedom struggle is thought, what comes first in our mind? The names of Indian heroes: Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, Rajguru, Chandrasekhar Azad, Mahatma Gandhi, and many more. We know about their roles, contributions, and their achievements. But how did they do so? What let them sacrifice their lives for Indian independence?
Indian freedom struggle and its seeds were cultivated long ago with the beginning of education phase of our freedom fighters. Education played a major role in shaping the leaders, developed knowledge, awareness, and their communication. Education gave them the confidence to question the Britishers. Without education, it might not have been possible for them to raise their voice against the Britishers. Education enabled them to understand the British tricks well and to translate them in vernacular language.
The freedom movement of India is one of the most inspiring phases of history. Large number of people lived up to the highest ideals of humanity, happily accepting to make the biggest sacrifices for the sake of freedom. The role of teachers and students of the Sanskrit school in the struggle movement is also commendable. Anand Math of Bankim Chandra Chatterjee and Swami Shraddhanand's Gurukul were two different kinds of manifestations of the art of teaching.
Now, I would like to invite Anuradha
Singh, a Sandhu judge, well-known Indian revolutionary, received his education in Anglo-Vedic school Lahore. Young Bhagat Singh was influenced by the philosophy of Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Saraswati. He was interested in writing and drama and even won an award for a write-up on Lahore's problem in college. His determination and patriotism to his country and countrymen is commendable. Shivamari Rajguru, who was a member of Hindustan Socialist Republic Association, who wanted India to be free from British Raj and sacrificed his life for country. He received his education in New English High School, Pune. Sukhdev Thapar, who was executed along with Rajguru and Bhagat Singh, completed his education from National College, Lahore. Subhash Chandra Bose, he was a brilliant student and was admired by all his teachers. He went to European school for his education. Awareness and knowledge developed his intellectual skill. Even though he was highly educated, he left behind better prospects to stay and fight for what was right. He took Indian national movement at international level for seeking financial and armed support from Germany, Japan and Hitler. His education gave him courage to convince Japan to fight against the British.
Chandrasekhar Azad received his higher studies in Sanskrit Pathshala, Banaras. He was known for his organization skills. He fought with bravery, but seeing no other way to escape, he shot himself and fulfilled his fates, not being caught alive. The Nightingale of India, Sarojini Naidu. She was an exceptional student with knowledge of Urdu, Telugu, Bengali and Persian. She taught the matriculation exam at the tender age of 12 years. She was a powerful orator and convinced many to support the Indian national movement.
Thank you, friends. Not only students, but teachers also played a great role in the freedom struggle. And with this, the first name which comes in my mind is Savitribai Phule. Priya, do you know who was she and what were her contributions?
Yes, Savitribai Phule was the first female Indian teacher, social reformer, educationist, poet from Maharashtra. Along with her husband Jyotiba Phule, she played a vital role in improving women's rights in India. Now, I would like to call Kanha, Priyanka, Pregya and Lakshmi to tell us more about other teachers who were involved in the fight for freedom.
Bipin Chandra Pal, a great writer, orator, social reformer and Indian independence movement fighter, was appointed as a teacher in the college where he was a student. He was one of the main architects of the Swadeshi movement. He is known as Father of Revolution.
Bal Tilak was a great mathematics teacher. He helped to establish the foundation for India's independence. His thirst to gain back the freedom for our country also gave him the title of Lokmanya, which means accepted by people as their leader. British officers fittingly called him the father of Indian unrest.
Dr. Radhakrishnan, a great philosopher and educationist, was a teacher at Kolkata for more than a decade between the two world wars. He is known to respond to the very firm Western criticism of Indian civilization cultures.
Rabin Majogai was a modern educator. He established open-air schools, Path Bhavna and Shanti Niketan. His contribution to literature, music and his sermon works are unforgettable. From time to time, he participated in the national movement through his own non-sentimental and visionary way. Thank you and have a nice day.